more clarification.
ChatGPT, tell me the 5 things which smell is nice and 5 things which smell is bad.
Sure. 5 things that smell nice are fresh roses, vanilla, freshly baked bread, lavender, and cinnamon. 5 things that smell bad are rotten eggs, garbage, skunk spray, spoiled milk, and sewage.
Sewage. chaoraba. Nang hapsan ba sudum yare ko.
All right,
ChatGPT.
take care. See you later.
See you later. Kai di. Atai hangsira. Siya pera hangune.
Thanks. Have a great weekend too.
Have a great weekend too. Kaya today's Saturday. Oy bera. Naira. Nangi voice assistant ne bese. And you can ask any question. ChatGPT 4 is ko. Omni hai ne ba.
Oh, okay.
Like my friend get up and nang wa dum sanar se. English ngang ner su dum yai. You can learn English from him or you can learn French from Hindi ju hai. Hindi
Any language?
Yeah, I'm to try to sira.
Ah yes, I Japanese try to get.
Japanese. Yego le.
私は名前 Vinayak ですだ。
Kairo. Okay, let's see how
It
here.
sounds like you might be referencing some lyrics or a specific scenario.
Okay.
Can you give me a bit more context?
Yeah, I'm speaking in Japanese here.
I'm speaking in Japanese.
Got it. It seems like you're practicing speaking in Japanese. Do you need any help with translation or pronunciation?
Yes, hello.
Yes.
So how do you
Sure. What would you like to translate or practice? Just
how
let me
how do
know,
you say
and I'll do my best to assist you.
hangzalo question
How do you say what is your name
in Japanese?
in Japanese?
In Japanese, what is your name? Is said as Anata no namae wa nan desu ka?
Sumra. Sumega. Nale. Then what did them sanabe ko? Like you have to know the prom.
Seems
Kay
like
prom
you're
hai
typing in a script or language I'm not familiar with.
Manipuri hai bola.
Provide
Manipuri.
more context or clarify what language you
Okay, I'm speaking in Manipuri. Hey ChatGPT.
Manipuri hai bola. Unga leira.
I see. In Manipuri, the phrase, what is your name, is Numshibayai. Numshibayai? Let me know if you need help.
Honor lale ko sila. I think my ChatGPT ki database na ko Manipuri kana si yaw yaw ngi dong wante. And dum nungai ko. Atay di nang nahangning mo kaning wala later sa dum high pa ya. Maka hang sila. Hangon eh.
Nanggi maming kay no.
They won't know.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Oh in Japanese ta hayo na.
Otsukaresama deshita.
Kaya hay na
Thank
sa.
you for watching. Good job.
Kaya hay naman sila.
Wala ulit tinere.
Ano tayo na? Oh.
I'm speaking in Manipuri. Maitay mayek.
I see. In Manipuri, thank you for watching is Dode Walam Athariba.
Kaya hay no. Kaya
The
dati
day
ko.
were
If there's
atarba.
anything else you'd
Lale.
like to say or practice,
Japanese to so ulit tinere.
Japanese yun na. So Japanese ki common phrase naman ng kang ba mahal kang jalo ni.
Kono namae desu da.
日本語でコメントをお待ちしております。何かお手伝いできることがあれば遠慮なくお知らせくださいね。
Okay.
Is it correct? Sumra.
Marahaiba, I couldn't clarify what you're saying.
Okay, in Japanese. Wow. Nice. Hey, ne. Angka Holland jira ko manda.
Okay.
Angka Holland, angka means mathematics. Holland jira. Hey ka.
ChatGPT was 100 trillion by the power of 10.
申し訳あ
1000.
りません。理解しました。
So tell me in English na hayo.
Stop speaking in Japanese and tell me in English.
どういたしまして。お役に立てて嬉しいです。
Still speaking in Japanese. I think ChatGPT has
Stop
got.
speaking in Japanese.
Got it. If you need anything else, just let me know.
How's question?
ChatGPT was 100 trillion by the power of 10.
I'm not sure I understand. Are you referring to my capabilities or something else?
Maths. I'm talking about maths.
Ah, got it. If you're referring to 100 trillion raised to the power of 10, that would be a very large number.
Can you
Let
tell
me
me?
calculate it for you.
Can you tell me the very large number?
Nalaga.
The result of 100x trillion 10 is an incredibly large number, which I can't precisely determine without specific computational capabilities. However, it would have...
If you know the answer, just tell me.
Maybe. Maybe.
Apologies for the oversight. The result of 100x trillion 10 is 10 to the 50.
Almost my answer is ChatGPT. Yeah. Huh? Some kind of a try to remember.